Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We seek the presence of the Holy Spirit in our lives in many ways and in many events of our life. Kapag kami kukuha ng exam, kapag may kailangang pagdesisyonan, kapag may kailangang kausapin ng harapan o ng tapatan, kapag may mga kailangan tayong pag-isipan ng medyo matindi-tindi, kapag kami mga dapat planuhin, and to many ways, how we wish the Holy Spirit to be with us and to work with us. Today, we've come once more to hear the last words and the last encounter of the Lord and His disciples during the Last Supper. And we've heard today how He unfolds the gift of the Holy Spirit that will remain with them and guide them to all truth. Pero sa punto pong ito, ang Espiritu Santo ay hindi lamang inspirasyon, hindi lamang ito grasya, hindi lamang ito lakas, hindi lamang ito karunungan para malaman ano ang mali o ano ang tama. Pero narito siya para buksan ang ating mga mata, to see our limitations, to help us, and to help us move forward. We've heard today the beautiful story of the conversion of the prison guards with the presence of Paul and Silas. And such presence of the Holy Spirit inspired them to ask, what can we do so that we can be saved? Hindi lang pala ito para bigyan tayo ng inspirasyon at lakas. Para din pala sa atin makita ano ang dapat gawin, ang makatulong sa atin at ang lakas para sumulong sa buhay na ito. We remind ourselves from the words of the Lord. And when He comes, He will convict the world in regard to sin and righteousness and condemnation. Mata, para makita ano nga ba ang katotohanan sa paligid, ano ba ang nangyayari sa ating buhay. We call on the Holy Spirit every day for everyday guidance and for every beat of our life. And let us also open ourselves how He can teach us to do right things, to help us in life, and to help us move forward. To every decision, to every point in life, to every experience, He is there to lead us to right things, to help us in life, and to guide us to move forward. May it be a grace for us every day, my dear brothers and sisters. May the Holy Spirit help us, direct us, and lead us to move forward.